Introduction. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the wonders and challenges of our planet's biodiversity. Today, we delve into a topic of grave concern: future mass extinctions. As our world continues to evolve, various factors threaten the delicate balance of ecosystems, putting countless species at risk. In this video, we will examine the primary causes of potential mass extinctions and discuss how we can address these challenges to safeguard the future of life on Earth. Understanding mass extinctions. Before we dive into future threats, let's briefly explore the concept of mass extinctions. Throughout Earth's history, several catastrophic events have led to the loss of numerous species, fundamentally altering the planet's biodiversity. Notable examples include the Permian-Triassic extinction, known as the Great Dying, which wiped out over 95% of marine species, and the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, responsible for the demise of the dinosaurs. 2. Climate change and habitat loss. One of the most pressing threats to future biodiversity is climate change. As temperatures rise, habitats are altered, disrupting the delicate relationship between species and their environment. Ecosystems like coral reefs, polar regions, and rainforests are particularly vulnerable to these changes. Additionally, human activities, such as deforestation and urbanization, contribute to habitat loss, pushing species to the brink of extinction. 3. Pollution and contamination. Industrialization and modern lifestyles have led to the release of numerous pollutants into the environment. Chemicals, plastics, and heavy metals find their way into ecosystems, poisoning wildlife and disrupting delicate ecological interactions. From oil spills devastating marine life to air pollution affecting avian species, pollution poses a significant threat to the survival of numerous organisms. IV. Invasive species and biotic interference. The introduction of non-native species into new environments can have disastrous consequences. Invasive species often outcompete native organisms for resources, disrupt food chains, and spread diseases. Examples include the Burmese python in the Florida Everglades and the brown tree snake in Guam, both wreaking havoc on local ecosystems. These invasions can lead to the extinction of native species unable to adapt to the new threats. Versus overexploitation and illegal trade. Human exploitation of wildlife, both legal and illegal, puts immense pressure on vulnerable species. Overfishing, hunting, and poaching can deplete populations to the point of no return. Species like elephants, rhinoceroses, and tigers are targeted for their valuable body parts, driving them towards extinction. Addressing these issues requires strengthened conservation efforts, stricter legislation, and increased awareness. VI. Emerging threats. Genetic engineering and emerging diseases. As technology advances, new threats to biodiversity arise. Genetic engineering, although holding promise for various applications, also carries risks. The unintended consequences of releasing genetically modified organisms into the wild could have irreversible effects on ecosystems. Moreover, emerging diseases, such as zoonotic viruses, can rapidly spread and decimate populations, as exemplified by the recent COVID-19 pandemic. Conclusion. The future of our planet's biodiversity rests in our hands. By recognizing and addressing the threats discussed in this video, we can strive to prevent future mass extinctions. Education, conservation efforts, sustainable practices, and responsible legislation are all crucial in safeguarding the delicate web of life on Earth. Let us work together to preserve the diversity and beauty of our planet for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Remember to like,